New Bothwell, are housing prices going to fall? Let's go over the data for the last 6 months, and you can make informed, educated decision. You'll find out that what's in the media headlines isn't actually what's really going on in the real estate market. And let's have a conversation about that. First off, let's talk about where the data comes from. It comes from MLS for single residential detached homes. I'm Stephen Olyniuk, Remax Performance Realty. Hey, and if you're liking our content, make sure you're subscribing to our YouTube channel and then hit the notification bell right beside that too as well, so you get notified when we have a video coming out. And if you smash the like button, it really helps us with YouTube. If you have any real estate related questions, don't hesitate, put it down in the chat and we'd be happy to answer them for you. So let's talk about how many homes were listed in New Bothwell. And this is from January 1st to June 30th, 2022. Today's date is actually July 12th, 2022. And we'll talk about how many listings there are, what's active, what's sold, what's pending, has stuff expired. And there's a lot of new builds in New Bothwell. So you will see a lot expire because those houses kind of get recycled as they sell other ones. So anyways, showing 82 total listings with 22 active at the moment, 31 sold, 4 pending sale right at the moment, and 25 that expired. Let's look at some of the averages of what's going on. Average square footage has been 1,145. Average list price, 245,000. Now average sold price showing at 217,915. And sold to list ratio at 100.9%. So selling at 0.9% over list price. But you're going to say, well, why is the sold price over the list price? Well, you've got a lot of houses that are listed higher that maybe haven't sold yet, like your maximum sold price or listed price maximum was 529,000, but yet the maximum sold price was only a house of 415,000. And this isn't the same house right here we're talking about. So that can skew those numbers a little bit anyways. DOM average is 70. That's high for the average, but not when you have a lot of new builds. That is the majority of what's selling in New Bothwell right now. Now let's talk about what's sold over the last number of years. 2017 average sale price was 244, rose to 245, and then 259, 2018 and 2019. That's a little off of what's gone on in the Southeast and in Winnipeg. We actually saw housing prices fall in 2018, 2019. So it's interesting to see how they were up in New Bothwell. Then 310,000 was the average, and 311 in 2021. Now 362,905 is what is selling in 2022. I predict that's going to see a pullback on that in this neighborhood as well as all neighborhoods throughout Manitoba. Right now, people are really freaked out about the 1% interest rate that just went up. And what's going on is we're just used to a 1.5% interest rate and gotten really used to that. Where we're sitting with interest rates right now is great, actually. If you look at 5 years ago, fantastic interest rate. Also, if you take a look at where housing sales have been this year, yeah, they're off from last year, and that's what the media is focusing on. But 2021 was a record year that was just phenomenal. And so, of course, sales are down from last year. But if you look at what the averages are over the last 5 years, the 2017, the 2018, the 2019, we're actually above those numbers. So things are doing well. So what does this mean for the value of your home? Well, first off, if you're not selling your house, it doesn't mean anything, because the only time you lose or gain in real estate is if you're selling. And even if you're selling right now and housing prices are down a little bit right now, they're still up above what they've been over the years. And if you play the long-term game with real estate, you will win. There's only one way to hedge inflation: it's buy real estate. And you know, the next best time to buy, or the best time to buy real estate was yesterday. The next best time is right now. And if prices come back a little bit, hey, maybe that's a good time for you to invest. And if you are selling, then maybe whatever you're buying or going into, that's also going to be a benefit for you. And let's say the market took a 10% downturn and you wanted to move up to a more expensive house. So let's say you were selling a $300,000 house and they've pulled back 10%. Well, that's $30,000. Maybe you're buying a $500,000 house and it's pulled back 10%, $50,000. Who's gained 20,000? You have. So it really depends on what you're planning on doing it. And that's where we come in. If you're thinking of listing, if you're a buyer, You want to know what your house is worth? Let's have a conversation. We'll go over the data, can help you make informed, educated decisions, and show you what's going to be best for you. I want to thank you for watching. If you have any real estate related questions, let us know. We'd love to chat. If there's a video you'd like us to make, we'll put it together. And if you're thinking of listing your house, give us a call. We'd love to list your home. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a great day.